Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's all Vedic. So in this class, this is the advanced version of ANURUPEYNA, and you have done two videos, two lectures of the multiplication with 11. So in this video, we'll discuss any digit number when it is being multiplied by 11. So if we haven't seen any video of the basic and the moderate level, please go watch those videos first and then came back to this video. So let's start with our first question. Let's go. So let's say we have some 507.96 times 11 to be done. So the process starts something like this again, that you have to keep only your 6, then you have to add 9 and 6, then you have to add 7 and 9. Like you have to just keep on adding in the pair. So now it is 5 and 7, and then last is 5. So that's 5, that's 12, that's 16, that's 15, and then 6. So keep now there is 6. So after this 6, you will keep 5 of 15, and then this 1 has to be carry over. So this 1 when carry over to 16, 16 and 1 will become 17. So you keep 7 of the 17. And then 1 to be carry over to 12. And then 12 plus 1 would become 13. And then you have kept 3 of 13. Then the 1 of 13 would be carry over to 5 and then would become 6. So the answer is 63,756. So I hope this, because if you have seen the last videos, this step is clear. Okay, let's continue. Let's do the second question. Let's say you have to multiply some 6,990 with 11. So the process is again same. You can start from left hand side or right hand side, whatever you want to. Just you have to remember that you have to keep only 6, and then you have to keep on adding two digits. You have to keep on adding like in pair. So 6 and 0, then 0 and 9, then 9 and 9, then 9 and 7, then 7 and 5, and then only 5. So 6, 6, 9, 18, 16, 12, and 5. So there is only 5. For 12, you just keep 2, and then 1 to be carry over in 16, and 16 and 1 would become 17. So you keep 7 of 17, and 1 again to be carry over to 18. So in 18, when you add 1, it would become 19. And then 1 of 19 to be carry over to 9, this 9 that I'm highlighting right now, this 9. And then 9 and 1 would become 10. So you have kept 0 of 10, and then 1 to be carry over to 6. 6 and 1 would become 7, and there is no carryover now. So the last 6, that is this one, would be as it is. So the answer is something like this. So it is, I can say 67 lakh 9,725. So I hope the step is clear and the approach is clear to you now. Okay, okay, let's do one more question. I just wanted to show you like the process same. There is no other technique, but for some lengthy questions, I've made a video. Let's take a bigger question now. 506, 23, 19, 08, 08, 24 times 11. So if you can allow me, can I write directly the second step? Okay, just focus on my voice that there is 5, and then there is 5 plus 6, that is 11. There is 6 plus 2, that is 8. There is 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 0, 9. 0 and 8. 8 and 2, 10. 4 and 2, 6. And then 4. So last 4 is there. Last 6 is there. For 10, you just keep 0. For 10, you just keep 0, and then this 1 has to be carried over to 8. And 8 plus 1 would become 9. Now, we have done this till here. So, there is no carryover now. So, this 9 would be as it is. So, there is this 9. And then, in the after that, there is 10. So, for 10, you just again keep a 0. And then this 1 will carry over to the 4. And 4 and 1 will become 5. Okay. Again, there is no carryover. So, this 5 would be as it is. And then there is 8. Same. For 11, you just keep 1. And then the front 1 to be carry over to 5 and would become 6. So that's our answer. So this is the best technique to multiply by 11. And all the concepts of 11 now has been discussed. So practice more and more questions. Join my WhatsApp group for more communications and for more learnings, for more assignments, for more challenges. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. In the next video, we'll start the fundamentals of multiplication with 22, 33, 44, 99, whatever, any type of multiple of 11. So till then, take care. Bye bye. See you. Good night.